While this Savvy Swap sale was delayed due to snow, organizers say that extra time allowed them to receive more items, from men's and juniors' clothes to scrubs and appliances. The Savvy Swap sale has something for everyone.
Providing an option for people to reuse, save our environment, reuse, recycle, purchase things at a great rate, up to 90% off retail, and it's a win-win.
The sale has only been going on for 2 years, created after the success of the group's kids sale. Some who have participated in either sale for over a decade use the money they earn to pick up a few things there or make some extra dough.
I just love the thrill of being able to look through things, what other people don't need that I can need, or that I can make into something that I need. Like I bought a dresser one time and I was able to take it home, repaint it.
More than 200 people have put their items up for sale, and organizers expect to see around 2,000 shoppers over the Savvy Swap's 2 weekends.
We all love watching everybody come in and out of the dressing rooms, and it's like a family affair where all compliments everybody, or oh, that looks great, and that sort of thing. So it's a fun shopping experience.
The Savvy Swap starts this Saturday, January 31st at the Tower Shopping Center in Roanoke. New items will arrive on February 3rd, and on February 6th and 7th, the last 2 days of the sale, most items will be 50% off. In Roanoke, Zoe Mallory, WFXR News.